Hello, this is a quick video on how to use the EcoFlow app to control some of the features on the EcoFlow power stations. This is the EcoFlow RiverMax 600 portable power station. I'll be using the app to control and change the ambient color, for example. Then when you buy your EcoFlow power station, it comes with instructions including this handy little quick guide, just some brief notes on how to connect to your power station via the app, and also the EcoFlow user guide, which has more detailed instructions. So first stage is to download the app itself. There's three ways to do that: through Google Play Store or App Store. Also you can scan the QR code and you can download the app directly from EcoFlow's website. So once you've downloaded the app, the second stage is to log in and register, and the third step is to connect your device to your power station. There's two ways to do that: the outdoor mode, which just simply uses the Wi-Fi on your phone, or the indoor method, which is to use your home Wi-Fi router. Okay, to download the app, I've just gone into Play Store, gone to search, typed in EcoFlow. So obviously from the list, it does come up with some of the other power stations available, but I'm just clicking on EcoFlow itself. The obvious main result is the EcoFlow install. So that's from EcoFlow Hong Kong, EcoFlow Innovations. So just press on that. So pretty good reviews, 4 stars, more than 500,000 downloads. So there's an extra one from us. Might just take a brief while to download the app. Okay, so the EcoFlow app is installed and we shall simply open the app. Now the next stage is to register and log in. So because this is the first time for me doing this, so go to create new account. So pretty standard, just enter in region, email address, and select a password. Okay, so upon entering those details, including confirming your email and checking the box stating that you've read the terms and conditions, the sign up button will highlight. Simply press that and this will be the next screen to appear. A verification code has been sent to my email address. I have entered in the verification code, pressed verify, and this is the next screen to appear. So allow EcoFlow to send you notifications. So I'll go, yeah, why not? Okay, so we're now up to step 3, device connection guide. As per instructions, this is using the outdoor mode method. Open your app and click on the plus on the top right corner. Give that a go. Press and hold the Internet of Things reset button on the device. So just to show what that is like, here is our device, the portable power station. Now the Internet of Things button, the IoT, is just right there, so I need a pen or something similar to actually press that. Hold it in for 3 seconds until you hear the beep, and the Wi-Fi icon will display on the power station. So back to the app itself. So add device, privacy guidelines, agree, turn Wi-Fi on the screen, So it's already flashing. Go to next. Go to Wi-Fi settings. So go to our Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is off. Turn Wi-Fi on. Let it do its thing. So under the choices available for Wi-Fi connection, EcoFlow as per instructions, and go to nearby. Okay, so after a few attempts, this is what should appear on the screen of your phone. A picture of your actual power station. So click on that and we are now in the app that can control some of the features of the EcoFlow portable power station. So in the app, straight away we can tell the battery level. So in this case, 98% full, 99 hours to go. Temperature display there. So that's quite important. You don't want to charge these devices in hot conditions. So it's recommended if you've got a solar panel, if you're out camping for example, get an extension lead, put the solar panel out in the sun and have your power station in the shade somewhere. So if this was connected to a charging setup, whether 240 volts solar panel or car 12 volt, this will tell you how many watts going in. Using the outputs on the device, if you're powering or charging a device, this will tell you how many watts is going out. So X boost feature there, turn that on or off. I can remotely control the light on the power station device. Increase, decrease the setting, have it on the SOS mode. So here we can choose whether to activate the 12 volts output system. And once again, that'll tell you how many watts is going out. And when you do plug in a device, that will be indicated whether that is a USB-C, USB-A. Also down here we've got fast charging, for example. But go to settings, so you can rename your device if you wish. Charge limit 100%. So that will give you the option to charge to a certain percentage. Various advantages in that. So once again, the car mode, AC slow charging. So slow charging may be better for the battery health. So the DC mode, so select between solar charging, car recharging, or on the auto. I'll just leave it on auto. You can turn the beep on or off. Fan speed, I'm not going to touch that one, but that will govern your fan speed if you wish. Let's get out of that. So device timeout. Okay, so you can choose to have the device turn off after 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2, 6, 12 hours, or never. DC timeout as well, same deal. I can update the firmware, which I will do later on. AC always on. So specifications, network disconnected. That's because I'm not connected to the internet at the moment. So temperature, as we saw before, I'm going to change that to degrees Celsius, which we can now see changed on our main display. Also the ambient, so we can turn the ambient light on or off. And we can also change the colors. So just select the ambient button there. Okay, so a few choices. White, purple, maroon, blue, light blue, uh, green, yellow, orange, and red. Might just leave it on orange. And also different effects can be selected for the ambient light. So we have rainbow. So that's just cycling through the different colors. That's pretty cool. Dynamic. That's interesting. Might be having a party, for example. Flow. And default, which I think is just left on, but I think the factory settings was breathe, so I'll just put it back on breathe. And okay. So there are some of the features that can be accessed using the app. And of course that's always handy, because if you are charging your power station, you can monitor the progress via the app itself, which we'll test right now. Okay, so I've just plugged in my phone into the power station, accessing the app at the same time. So we can see that the power station is providing an output of 10 watts to charge my phone. Temperature there before 31 degrees Celsius. That's just slightly above our ambient room temperature at the moment. And we can also see the time remaining left in the power station. So 1 day and 10 hours left. So quite a lot of power in these little units. So overall, quite a handy feature to have, using the app to control our portable power station. And thank you for watching.